On March the 11th, 2023, a plane departed from Brazil's Pampulha airport. Shortly after, there was a malfunction on board. Luckily, the CAP system came to the rescue. When activated, it deployed a special emergency parachute, allowing the plane to land safely. None of the 6 passengers were harmed. CAP safeguards passengers in various emergencies, such as engine failures, nose dives, and collisions. With just the push of a button, the pilot can activate the system, which not only releases the parachutes, but also lands the plane automatically. Additionally, the company introduced Safe Return, an automatic landing autopilot system for the Cirrus Vision SF-50 lightjet aircraft. They claim that the combination of CAPs and Safe Return sets a new standard, providing the utmost safety, control and comfort for pilots and passengers worldwide. The LUF Nano is a robotic electric vehicle designed for firefighting situations. It's particularly useful when firefighters can't reach the fire easily due to its intensity, high heat, or challenging terrain. With 2 engines, it can carry up to 250 kilograms, or tow loads of up to 500 kilograms, making it perfect for transporting equipment and evacuating victims. It can reach speeds of up to 15 kilometers per hour, and has a ground clearance of 15 centimeters for rough terrain. Additionally, it can be placed on rails using special accessories. Electric car fires pose significant challenges for firefighters. Even after extinguishing the flames, it's crucial to cool the battery to prevent reignition. How can this hazardous cargo be handled? Enter the E-Vehicle Isolation System, or EIS, designed to address these issues. Resembling a flexible cover, it forms a protective bubble when wrapped around a vehicle and filled with water. The EIS is suitable for vehicles weighing up to 3.5 tons, and can handle loads of up to 8.5 tons. Its walls are resistant to various chemicals including lithium hexafluorophosphate, commonly found in batteries. Plus, EIS can be reused several times. Man overboard, it's time to use Pelican. This rescue system is unique, as it captures, restrains and lifts victims from the water. Its creators foresee it revolutionizing sailboat gear. Unfortunately, Pelican's website has been inactive for some time, and its Kickstarter campaign fell short, raising less than a quarter of the intended amount. Details are scarce too. Manufactured in Germany, it can be easily installed at any side of your yacht, is ready for immediate use, and can be used to rescue both people and cargo. The creators of Shark Safe Barrier are dedicated to their work, and their product has been featured in scientific journals. Tested along the challenging South African coast, Shark Safe Barrier is an effective and eco-friendly shark defense system. It mimics a dense thicket of algae, deter burning sharks from swimming through. The system is attached using magnets, which also contribute to its effectiveness. Over 4 years of testing on various sharks including great white sharks, Shark Safe proved to be 100% effective, hence, it's an excellent solution for tourist destinations with high beach traffic. This product is known as a self-rescuer, and this is essentially a gas mask. Typically disposable, these masks are designed for short-term use. They're easy to put on and offer a wider field of vision. They're an ideal option during fires, smoke, and emergencies. Displayed is the ZEVS U model, suitable for adults and children over 12. It safeguards against carbon monoxide, nitrogen and sulfur dioxides, ammonia, acrolein and other threats for 15 minutes. ZEVS U can be stored for 5 years, is compact and weighs less than a kilogram including packaging. Ice Rescue Systems offers products designed to rescue people on the ice. Their range includes various solutions from helmets to sleds. For instance, this yellow horseshoe-shaped device is a unique rescue sling, capable of supporting up to 1,360 kilograms and providing 8 kilograms of buoyancy. It serves both as a harness and a life jacket. Their sleds, known as RTS, have a low-profile design, particularly useful in windy condition. Weighing just 13 kilograms, they're easy for a single rescuer to handle. Moreover, they're versatile, suitable for use on water and snow, ensuring smooth gliding and doubling as a makeshift raft. These isolation stretchers have been featured in Red Cross advertisements in the Philippines. They aid in transporting patients without spreading infection. The idea is simple. The stretcher includes a fan that generates negative pressure, and it has filters to purify the air. The fan operates on a battery lasting approximately 10 hours. There are 8 openings to provide water, food, and medication to the patient. Optional latex, butyl or neoprene gloves are also available. Picture yourself sitting in an excavator towering over 9 meters high, when suddenly it catches fire. These machines typically guzzle hundreds of liters of fuel per hour, so a quick evacuation is crucial. In such emergencies, having an escape chute can be a lifesaver. Capable of supporting loads up to 300 kilograms, this model is trusted by industry giants like Lipair and Hitachi. Speed is of the essence, and with this chute you can descend twice as fast as using a ladder. Impressive, right? The same company also manufactures similar chutes for various buildings and structures, including silos. Stryker Lucas 3 is an innovative device designed for indirect cardiac massage, offering a safer and more effective alternative to traditional manual methods. Weighing 8 kilograms together with the battery, it provides up to 45 minutes of operation on a single charge. It has no weight limits, so you can quickly switch from manual to mechanical massage in just 7 seconds. Moreover, it's equipped with algorithms that adjust massage frequency and strength based on patient parameters, and it can send reports via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Compared to a manual massage, it increases blood flow to the brain by 60% and reduces physicians' workload, freeing up their hands for other important tasks. These solutions from the Draeger team are similar to the shelters seen in the Fallout game series, albeit more compact and designed for mine installations. In emergencies, the top-tier MRC 5000 model can accommodate 20 people and operates autonomously for 96 hours. Oxygen is supplied from cylinders, and carbon dioxide is removed by a regenerative unit, ensuring positive overpressure. Additionally, the shelter includes a toilet and communication system. For easy transportation, it features forklift slots, transport skids and lifting lugs. The first Rescue Jack RJ1 vehicle stabilization strut was developed many years ago specifically for firefighters, and it's impressive to see how the company has progressed since then. Its most powerful strut, the Rescue Jack Super X strut, can lift up to 2,722 kilograms at 30 centimeters by default and 60 centimeters when specially configured. With an overall length of 2.5 meters, it's suitable even for working with passenger vehicles. At the end of the strut is a CRG element that rotates 360 degrees. Made of 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, the Super X strut shares the same material as aircraft fuselages. In the UK, accident statistics reveal that motorcyclists are 13 times more likely to sustain injuries in accidents compared to car drivers. Let's explore what Halite Moto offers to address these statistics. How about a jacket with a built-in airbag that activates in just a second? It even protects your neck. For track enthusiasts, the company offers the EGP vest, providing protection for the back and chest, fully self-contained and designed with a focus on aerodynamics. Halite Moto also introduced the world's first airbag jeans, inflating in just 150 milliseconds to effectively safeguard the coccyx and femoral arteries. The creators of U-Safe have every reason to be proud. Displayed on the screen is the world's most advanced drone life preserver hybrid. It's built tough, capable of surviving falls from cliffs, oil rigs or helicopters. The drone swiftly navigates towards drowning individuals at speeds of up to 15 km per hour, with enough power to tow them to safety. For control, it comes with an intuitive remote control with a range of up to 500 meters, and the built-in lighting ensures effective use even at night. In summary, U-Safe success is evident, receiving positive feedback from both rescue professionals and the US Coast Guard. Smoke-filled stairways and corridors can quickly become a deadly trap. That's why German fire safety consultants offer these curtains. They don't disrupt extinguishing or evacuation efforts, but help limit the spread of smoke and heat. It may sound simple, but less smoke in the escape route means better visibility and lower risk of smoke inhalation. Additionally, the fabrics aid in controlling room ventilation. Our selection concludes with the Icaro's smoke signal, notable among competitors for its ability to float. The dense smoke can be seen from several kilometers away. Each bomb lasts for 3 minutes, and comes in a durable steel case with clear instructions. To activate it, simply remove the lid, pull the loop and drop it into the water. Moreover, Icaro's meets the latest regulations of the International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea. This smoke on the water deserves as much admiration as the legendary Deep Purple song.